Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you today with a card share video. So I thought about my plan for the year on the direction that I want to take my channel. And one of the things that I have decided on doing is that I am no longer going to do craft haul videos unless I have a card to share or a project to share that I made with the new item that I purchased. I kind of get a little stressed out about making the craft haul videos so I can put the items up and you know, not have them sitting around just waiting for me to make a video. So I'm going to try to have more videos up in a really good time frame on when I have my videos. I haven't worked that out quite yet, but I'm starting today, like I said, with a card share, using some items, showing you that I've used some items that I recently purchased. So let's get started. So first up, I used this new stamp set that I purchased from Birch Press Designs, and it's called, I don't know what it's called. Oh, Brush Sentiments. So they have Thinking About You Makes Me Happy, Sending Hugs and Smile, Sending Virtual Hugs. And that's kind of appropriate right now, huh? So I used this stamp set, and then I also used this Gina Marie banner die. I'm not sure if she still sells this, but this has been a favorite of mine. And let me show you the cards that I made using those items. And so here's the first card. It says, Thinking About You Makes Me Happy. I put some gemstones on there from my stash, some paper that I have in my collection. And then on the inside, I cut another banner that I'll use to write my note on or put another stamp, another sentiment. So that's the first card. And then I made another card, and this time I used a stamp set that I recently purchased from Sizzix. Got this at Tuesday morning, and it's the, I don't know what this one is called, maybe Good Vibes? Yeah, Good Vibes. So it has, Oh, Happy Day, Wishing You Joy, Be the Rainbow. How cute is that? And then one over here says, Sending Love Your Way. So awesome stamp set. Love the font that they used. And then here's the little card that I made with that one. And once again, I used the Gina Marie die set and then some gemstones. I didn't stamp it very dark. I used not a black ink. I didn't want it to be so severe. It's kind of light, but you can still see it. And then once again, on the inside, I've used pattern paper, and then I'll have the banner for whatever I write or stamp for the inside of the card. All right, so moving along. The next new item that I purchased was this really pretty set from Anna Griffin. I purchased off of HSN. They had their craft day last month maybe, and this one is called, I think it's Heirloom. Let's see together what it's called. Heirloom Lace. So I love the insert that they always give you, or she always gives you, to show you samples of what you can make with it. And you can see that it also comes with an embossing folder, which is kind of unique that a die set will come with an embossing folder. It's a square embossing folder, and it has kind of that border embossed edge. So super cute. And I'll show you the card that I made with that one. And then this is it. I didn't have a sentiment on the front because I just thought this card was beautiful without it. I have some gemstones. I used the big die and then the decorative one. And then there's another die that I used here. Another one and then another one. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers, and it is gorgeous. I can't wait to make this using some different color cardstock. Maybe orange, which is my favorite color. I always have some kind of orange element going on when I'm making cards. But I love this. It cut out really well. Lots of little pieces that fell out, but love this. And so that's by Anna Griffin. And then, let's see what else I have to show you. I have a couple of Valentine's cards. One I made with this free chit chat from Doodlebug that I got with purchase from scrapbook.com, and it's called Love Notes. And so I made this card with it, and I just love this card. I wish they had more of these, you know, maybe double, so I can make another card using the same design. I put some gemstones on there, and then it also had a banner at the bottom that I got from the Chit Chats too. So this embossing folder is by Gina K. Embossing folder, really like it. One of the things with this embossing folder is that it's such a detailed one that you really should kind of miss the cardstock so it won't tear, because I had a couple of places that it went straight through it, but because of the design it is, I was able to just glue it down and you can't even tell where the tears are. So love this card. This has been one of my favorites that I've made, especially using all the items from the Chit Chat set. Love, love, love. So made that one. And then a couple of other Valentine's cards was one I made with a die of the set a month from Spellbinders. I don't have that die. I sold it in a D-stash, but I wanted to show the cards that I had made prior to selling it. And then this one, this Love, it's a velvet, or not velvet, but I can't think what it's called, that I found in my stash. I put it on some heart paper with a black border and then a couple of gemstones. I thought it was super simple and super cute. Here's another one using that Spellbinders die. I think this is the card that I'm going to give my husband because it kind of looks, you know, masculine, and he loves the color blue. And then this one is one that I made with some hearts that were in my stash, and then some trim that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and then this hug. I don't know. I was kind of on the fence about if I like this card or not. Maybe I shouldn't have used the gold heart in the middle. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know below. And then using this die set that I think I purchased this from AliExpress. I'm not sure. Been a while. And then also using this Creative Expressions die set. And then I used the large die of the month for January from Spellbinders. This is called Club Blooms. Had a lot of flowers in it. And so I want to show you the couple of cards I made using those items. So here's the first one. And it's Sweet Friends. It's a sentiment set. I can't remember where this is from. It's in a bunch of sentiments I cut out, you know, just to be able to make quick cards. And then these are the flowers from the Club Bloom set from Spellbinders. And then I put a couple of gems there. I'm missing one of the gems. I don't think I put enough glue on it. I think it was hanging out somewhere over here. So I'm going to glue that back down. But love this card. Love the colors that I used. And then the pattern paper. And then on the inside, it's going to have this piece here along with the pattern paper. So this is one of the dies that I used from the Creative Expressions die with the stitch border. This one here, and I think it's like this one right here. And it tore my paper. And so I was just like, oh, just a little bit of a tear here on the edge. So I stuck this flower down there to mask that off. So I think that's going to be really cute. So this is the first card. And then the last one that I made using the Club Bloom set from Spellbinders was this card right here. And it says, love you. And it has these cute little gems on it. And then I have 3 of the flowers here. One I doubled up on top. I think this turned out really pretty. I love the starkness of the black and then the white cardstock. And of course my signature, I guess, basis that I used with the craft paper. And then on the inside, I put one of the extra flowers here. And then I'll just glue this in either way that I want. However I write it, or stamp the sentiment on the inside. So those are the cards that I wanted to share with you. And let me know what you think about the changes that I'm going to implement, which is no longer, I know people love the haul videos, but I'm just, it's not bringing me joy. It's making me stressed out trying to get those haul videos, and I could be making cards. So no longer having the craft haul videos, but when I do get a new product and I create something with it, I'll be sharing that in a video for you all. So thanks for watching my channel. I appreciate it, and I look forward to talking to you all again soon. Bye.